So why should you bother mastering Excel? One reason is that it can help you in your existing job. If you already use Excel in your existing job, if you can use Excel better, it can automate some of your tasks, which will mean that you can basically do stuff in less time than everyone else is expecting, so you can be more productive. So in other words, people will be more impressed with you, get promoted, earn more money, that sort of thing. So it's got lots of advantages just for your own job. Or if you want to maybe get another job, then take a look at this. So I just googled Microsoft Excel jobs. Already it just came up with a lot of jobs near me and lots of links. And then here it says, recent studies have shown 82% of jobs require Excel skills and or experience with productivity software. Is MS Excel in demand? One of the most demanded skills for employment across many industries. Is it worth learning? Definitely. You can make money from home using... So basically this whole page is full of reasons to... Also, if you look at people per hour, you can see it found 106 freelance Excel jobs. So maybe you just want a bit of extra money, you can do a project at the weekend or evenings or with spare time, whatever. For example, looking for an Excel guru to help with spreadsheets, graphs, UK-based Excel genius, £150. So there's lots of opportunities for freelance work, whatever your level of Excel. And obviously, if you improve your level, you can earn more money. And these are actual jobs on Total Jobs: Excel administrator, analyst. There's lots of data analysts, data quality analysts, lots of jobs requiring Excel. And on Reed, if you type in Excel, it finds 25,000 jobs, which is not bad. I actually if I put in salary range over 100,000, then there are jobs at that level too. Anyway, that's all for now. So just thought I'd give you a whirlwind tour why it is very good for your career to learn Excel. Of course, once you learnt it, you've learnt it for the rest of your life. So it can be a fantastic opportunity for you. And if you want me to help you learn it, I'd love to help you. So you can either look at my videos, you can look at my courses, you can join my masterminds, my Zoom calls. So just click the link in my bio. Just see what I've got on offer and see how I can help you. But I love Excel. It's been really good to me over the years, and I'd love to share my knowledge and passion for it with you. That's all for now. Bye.